Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok not working on Android or iPhone. If you're using any Android or any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your TikTok app is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll down your control center and you just have to make sure that you are connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to connect with the strongest or stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network connection. Then you can try to enable or disable your pin mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app. Now in settings, just go to general and here go to iPhone storage. And here you just have to make sure that you have enough storage for up to 5 to 10 GB free in the iPhone storage to run, download or install any app smoothly. After doing that, you have to go back, go to VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just have to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back. I also recommend you have to try to update your software and go to software update and check for your pending software update. If you find just start update your software. After updating software, go back from here, open your app store, go for search here, search for TikTok, and you just have to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your TikTok app. If you find this how to update your apps after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there are two ways. The very first way is that you have to open your browser and you have to search for down detector, and you have to make sure that TikTok is not down in your country, region, or your location. So open the first website from here. Now here you can also try to allow your browser to use your location. Then open the first website. Here tap on the search option in the top right and the search for TikTok. And you just have to make sure that your TikTok app is not down. If you find that your TikTok app is down, so it might be that you just have to wait for almost 1 hour, 2 hours. Sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover, and after that you'll not get any kind of issue. Or if your TikTok is not down but you're facing this issue, so you just have to open your settings app, go to general, and go to iPhone storage here. Just look for your TikTok app and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps. So after offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this app, or you can easily install your TikTok app without any issue after reinstalling it. In this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.